I have two daughters in cheerleading, and if you're a cheer parent, you already know it's pretty expensive. Now, my family, we budget around $10,000 a year just to cover those cheer expenses. Now, there are fundraising opportunities to help offset that. And this year, I decided to go all in on one of them, which was a cheer fundraising golf tournament that raises money not only for the team, but also for the athletes. And in 7 days, using Claude AI, I generated over $21,000 in value for that event. And I spent about $20 to do it. And I'm not even done yet. The tournament isn't until July 10th. So today I'm gonna walk you through the exact system that I built step by step so you can use it too. This can be used for numerous of use cases. So if you're not doing fundraising, it can apply to so many other things. So hang tight. So this is my third year doing this charity golf tournament fundraiser. And I wanted to give you kind of the full picture because the progression of this, it really matters. In year one, I didn't really know what I was doing. I raised maybe $800 that went towards my daughter's expenses. So really not that good, not that impressive. Year two, I got smarter, more intentional, and I raised a few $1,000s. That was the year I realized there's real money here if I approach this thing the right way. And in year three, which is this year, I built an actual system to help me do that. Now, the difference between year two and year three wasn't effort, because I can assure you I was putting towards a lot of effort towards this thing. It was that I had a system. That was the key difference. Okay, so quick context around the golf tournament. It has a few ways that businesses and individuals can really get involved. You got whole sponsors, you've got corporate sponsors, silent auction donors, and businesses who put something directly into the golfer goodie bags. Now, golfer registration is $125 per person or $500 per team. That covers their lunch, range balls, a full round of golf, and a goodie bag. And there are all kinds of prizes and things like that that the golfers can win during the day's event. Now, this year, I set my own internal goal that I wanted to put $100 worth of value into every single golfer goodie bag, because if I could do that, golfers are essentially playing for free. And that drives more registrations, which grows the entire event. Now, that goodie bag goal is where most of the $21,000 funneled to. Okay, so before I get into Claude, I wanted to show you the full flywheel, because it's not just one tool, it's a system where everything feeds everything else. It starts with a website that gives the whole thing credibility. That feeds into an AI-powered outreach that finds businesses and writes personalized pitches. And those pitches drive sponsorships and donations into golfer goodie bags and silent auction. Better bags drive more golfer registrations, which makes it easier for parents to get golf teams and earn more money. More golfers mean more money overall for the cheer team. And at the event, my daughter creates photos and video content with every sponsor, which builds relationships that makes next year's outreach even easier. Every piece feeds the next. That is the key. That is the flywheel. Now let me show you how each piece works. Okay, so the first piece of this is you've got to have credibility. When a business gets a cold email asking for a donation, which they get a ton of these things, the first thing they typically do is delete it, or they want to at least verify that it's something real. Last year, I built my daughter's website with Cursor. This year, I switched to Lovable, and I've been using Lovable, so it just made more sense this year to use that, and it was super simple. I built her site, mjshep.com. It took me about two and a half hours and about 30 credits on that platform. Now, I took all the official paperwork from the cheerleading coaches, the season details, the fundraising info, event specifics, and I built all these things into that site. Tournament details, things about my daughter, how to register as a golfer, how to become a sponsor. And Lovable handled the hosting. So the only hard cost for me was to buy my daughter's domain, which is I think about $20 a year, depending on if you go with like a .com or whatever. So that link went into every single outreach email. Businesses could click through and see something real and take action right there. Now here's something I don't see many people talk about. I didn't just open Claude and start typing. I built an actual Claude project specifically for this purpose. Now, a Claude project, it lets you load like context into the instructions. So Claude already knows everything before you ask it a single question. So you're not constantly have to go through and repeat yourself about the same thing over and over again. I took all the relevant information from the cheer coaches, event details, again, fundraising structure, how money gets distributed, the goodie bag goals, and just everything. And I put that directly into the project instructions. So every conversation inside that project, Claude already knew the full picture of what I was trying to achieve. I could just say, hey, give me the top 10 businesses for silent auction donations. And it had all the context it needed to give me a smart and specific answer. That setup is what made the whole process fast and consistent. Now, inside the project, the first thing I do for each sponsorship category is ask Claude to think through who the best targets are and tell me why. What comes back isn't just a list of names. Claude breaks down the business type, the reason why they benefit, and the angle to lead with for that business. I did this for every category. So Claude mapped out the entire target landscape, categorized it, and from there, we were ready to work. Now here's where the system really comes together. I connected my Gmail account directly to Claude. So when Claude wrote an email, it didn't just put it in a chat window. It put it straight into my Gmail drafts folder. I'd open up my drafts, I'd review it, make some edits, and then send it. Now the pitch itself, this is what drove what I think some pretty good results. I told Claude that every email needed to make a real value proposition for the business. Not just a donation ask, but add value. Two specific angles that I wanted to take. One, it's tax deductible. And I had Claude make that math very obvious. If a business put a $10 gift certificate into each golfer's goodie bag, and there were over 288 golfers, that's $2,880 in tax deductions. Now those deductions are gonna happen whether the golfers use those certificates or not. Those write-offs happen the moment they donate. Number two was the audience. These golfers are successful professionals with money to spend. They are exactly the customers these businesses want. So putting something in that goodie bag is targeted advertising to the right people at a fraction of any ad campaign costs. And Claude wrote a version of that pitch for every single business type. Every email went out with the link in it. And out of roughly 65 businesses I contacted, 12 have responded and committed so far. So almost 2 out of 10 respond with a donation. Okay, so last piece, and this one isn't AI at all. At the event itself, I'm gonna have my daughter take photos and videos with every business and person that supported the cheer team and her. With the golfers, with the people who showed up for them, that human connection is what turns a one-time sponsor into someone who says yes again next year without hesitation. When they see a kid in a cheer uniform holding up their gift card and smiling, that's the close for year 4 before year 3 is even over. This has already worked well for our whole sponsors and golf teams. That's how I got a majority of my money this year. The relationship is the flywheel that keeps spinning. So do not skip this step. Make strong connections and relationships with the sponsors. Okay, so I built this system because I wanted to add value to everyone involved. The businesses, they get tax deduction and they get hopefully the new customers and the right customers. The golfers, they get a bag worth more than the registration and a day full of fun. The cheer team, well, they just get easier funding. And the parents, hopefully, if they use a system like this, they get to redirect money back into their lives. And that's what it's all about. Everyone wins.